Uh, Namaste, one and all. My name is Arjun Joshi. I'm assistant professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Uh, uh, Here, in this playlist, let's discuss about the subject called management and entrepreneurship. The subject code is 21EE61. This subject is core subject for our electrical and electronics engineering students. Simultaneously, some of the concepts are related to electronics and communication students and MBA students also. Okay, now let's we dive into the syllabus contents. Okay. Students, here let's discuss about the course details. The course name is Management and Entrepreneurship. The course code is 21EE61. Teaching hours per week, 3 hours. Total hours of pedagogy 40 credits is nothing but 3 credits. CI marks 50, SW marks, semester and examination marks 50, total marks 100. Exam hours 3 hours. Okay. Now, of course, objectives. What are all the objectives? What do you mean by objectives? What are the what we are going to learn in the subject there? That is nothing but the objectives. The first objective is to introduce the field of management, task of the manager, importance of planning and types of planning, staff recruitment, and selection process. To discuss the ways in which work is allocation, structure of organization, modes of communication, and importance of managerial control in business. The third objective is to explain need of coordination between the manager and staff, the social responsibility of business and leadership. Okay. The fourth objective is to explain the role and importance of entrepreneur in economic development and the concepts of entrepreneurship. Of course, student, the subject name is management and entrepreneurship. The first three objectives are related to management. The remaining objectives are related to entrepreneurship. The fifth objective is to explain various types of entrepreneurs and their functions, the mix of entrepreneurship, and the factors required for capacity building for entrepreneurs. The sixth one is to discuss the importance of small scale industries and related terms and problems involved. The seventh one is to discuss methods for generating new business ideas and business opportunities in India and the importance of business plan. And the eighth objective is to introduce the concepts of project management. The previous objectives are related to entrepreneurship. The eighth and ninth and 10th objectives are related to project management. Okay, to introduce the concepts of project management and discuss capital building process. Ninth one, to explain project feasibility study and project appraisal and discuss project financing. To discuss about different institutions at state and central level supporting business enterprises. Okay, these are all the objectives we need to achieve in this subject. Okay, now before getting to the actual syllabus, what is this management? How it will going to come to our mind or to our world, to our universe? Let's discuss those things. Okay, management is a function of guidance and leadership control of efforts of a group or individuals in order to achieve goals or objectives of an organization. Okay, here there is one goals or objectives. Of course, in this subject, for example, okay, let's take same example. We have some goals or objectives. Here, group or individual. Group or individual means students. Whether it may be individuals or groups. Here, here guidance and leadership. Here, manager is me. Teacher will go to give a guidance and leadership, control the efforts of a group. Individual ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, group ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Students effort ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ಎ ಗೋಲ್ or objectives of the organization. Okay, before industrial revolution, there were no management concept. Industrial revolution barakku munche there were no concept of management, but during the 18th century, management became necessary because of industrial revolution. Why industrial revolution ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. Okay, here I provide two links in order to understand about industrial revolution. Please, all of you go through these videos. I'm going to provide these links in the description box very soon. Okay. And then elements of management. Management ಏನಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹರಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. A well-defined ambience, a good management, a need for planning, implementation, monitoring, self-content, need for leadership and direction, a good and effective communication network, effective coordination, constant evaluation, monitoring and controlling, innovation of new ideas and techniques. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. By bringing the 4 M's, what are the 4 M's? Money, men, material, machines. The 5th M, management enables the country. For example, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೆನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್, ಮನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ದುಡ್ಡು, ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ರಾ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಮಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 5th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಎಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎನೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಟು ರೀಚ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಬಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ವಿತೌಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಈಗ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ management is going to play very vital role in the organization or in the industry. Management is not only for business organization but are extended to service organizations like educational, social, government, etc. Okay. Management resolves disputes, plans the activities, sets the individual goal, overall goal, provide necessary training to carry out the work more effectively and efficiently. Happiness, management is going to give happiness, policies. Management is going to make some policies, rewards, minimum cost. Any person perform the functions of management for the accomplishment of predetermined or objectives or goals is called manager. Manager andre yaru? ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತವನೇ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ನೀಡ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೋಡ್ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರು, ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ನಡೆಸೋರು, ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋರು, ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ, ಅನ್ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ಎ ಬೆಟರ್ happy country. Okay. Now, this is a small introduction about management. Now, students, now let's discuss the syllabus part. Here in the module 1, there is 2 parts, management and planning. Management definition, importance, nature and characteristics of management, management functions, roles of manager, levels of management, managerial skills, management and administration, management as a science, art or profession. Planning, nature, importance and purpose of planning, types of plans, steps in planning, limitations of planning, decision making, meaning, types of decisions, steps in decision making, organizing and staffing. Meaning, okay, module 2 only organizing and staffing anta barutte. Adu the meaning, nature and characteristics of organization, purposes of organization, principles of organization, departmentalization, committees, meaning, types of committees, centralization versus decentralization, authority and responsibilities, span of control, nature and importance of staffing, process of selection and recruitment. In the next side B is nothing but directing and controlling, meaning and nature of directing, leadership, styles, motivation, theory, communication, meaning and importance, coordination, meaning and importance, techniques of coordination, controlling, meaning, steps in controlling. Module 3 is completely related to entrepreneurship. In the entrepreneurship side A is nothing but social responsibilities of business, meaning of social responsibilities of business towards different groups, social audit, business ethics and corporate governance. Entrepreneurship, definition of entrepreneur, importance of entrepreneurship, concept of entrepreneurship, characteristics of successful entrepreneur, classification of entrepreneur, intrapreneur and emerging class, comparison between entrepreneur and intrapreneur, myths of entrepreneurship, entrepreneurial development models, entrepreneurial development cycle, problems faced by entrepreneurs. Module 4, modern small business entrepreneurs. Modern small business enterprises, roles of small scale industries, concepts and definition of small scale industry enterprises, government policy and development of small scale sector in India, growth and performance of small scale industries in India, sickness in SSI sector, problems for small scale industries, impact of globalization on small scale industry, impact of World Trade Organization or GATT on SSI small scale industries, ancillary industry, tiny industry definition only. Institutional support for business enterprises, introduction, policies and schemes of central level institutions and state level institutions. The final module is completely related to project management. Meaning of project, project objectives and characteristics, project identification, meaning and importance, project life cycle, project scheduling, capital budgeting, generating and investment, project proposal, project report, need and significance of report, contents formulation, project analysis, market, technical, financial, economical, ecological, project evaluation and selection, project financing, project implementation phase, human and administrative aspects of project management, prerequisites for successful project implementation, new control techniques like PERT and CPM, steps involved in developing the network, uses and limitations of PERT and CPM. Students, now let's discuss about some course outcomes of this subject. Course outcome 1, explain the field of management, task of manager, planning and steps in decision making. Second course outcome, discuss the structure of organization, importance of topping leadership styles, modes of communication, techniques of coordination, and importance of managerial control in business. The third course outcome is explain the concept of entrepreneurship and businessman social responsibility towards different groups. The fourth object course outcome is show and understanding the role of small scale industry in the development of country and state central level institutions, agencies supporting business enterprises. Each module, they are going to mention some CO. CO1 for module 1, CO2 module 2, CO3 module 3, CO4 module 5, CO5, sorry, CO4 module 4, CO4 module 5. Discuss the concepts of project management, capital budgeting for project feasibility studies, needs for project report, and new control techniques. Okay. Now let's understand the assessment details for both CIE and SEE. CIE for 50 marks, SEE for 50 marks, total 100 marks. Minimum passing marks for CIE semester and examination 20 out of 50. Continuous internal evaluation, 3 unit tests each of 20 marks, duration 1 hour, 60 marks. Okay, here we are going to conduct 3 unit tests for this subject, total 20, 20, 20, total 60. 2 assignments each of 10 marks, total 20 marks, 60 plus 20, 80. Classroom activities like group discussion, seminar, is any one of 3 suitably planned to attain the COs and PEOs for 10 marks, duration 1 hour, total 60 plus 20 plus 10, total 80. Sorry, 80, 90. Last 10 marks for pedagogy, total 100 marks. So we need to scale down to 50 marks. Semester end examination. Theory semester end examination will be going to conducted by university as per the scheduled timetable with common question paper for the subject duration 3 hours. The question paper will have 10 questions. Each question is set for 20 marks. There will be 2 questions from each module. Each of the 2 questions under a module with a maximum of 3 sub-questions should have a mix of topics under that module. The students have to answer 5 full questions, selecting 1 full question from each module. Here I planned for some pedagogy activities for 10 marks. Here we need to do 2 activities as of now. It may be vary in future, but as of now, you need to take care of this pedagogy activities. The first pedagogy activity is come under pedagogy intervention 1, innovation, that is something about idea creation. For idea creation, students present innovative ideas with poster presentation and PPT. Like right side, what we see, that is nothing but a poster presentation. The second pedagogy is nothing but PI2, pedagogy intervention 2, research experience for UG students. Case study example, conduct extensive literature review and collect the information about the case studies, meeting the innovative entrepreneur like Rameshwaram Cafe Bengaluru, shoot a blog. You need to meet, first you need to do case study about the industry, startup or industry, successful industry, and meet a successful entrepreneur like Rameshwaram Cafe ತರ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ pedagogy activities I planned for you guys. Okay, I hope you all guys enjoy this pedagogy activities. Okay, now some of the referrals, some of the textbooks we need to refer for this subject. The first textbook is nothing but Principles of Management by PC Tripathi, P.N. Reddy, M.S. Gravel Hill, publication 6th edition 2017. Okay, Entrepreneurship Development and Small Business Enterprises, Purnima M. Chandre, Charantimat, Pearson, publication 2nd edition 2014. Reference books, some of the reference books are there. All of you take care of these reference books. I refer some very easy textbook that is it says era for our video examination, that is management and entrepreneurship. NVR Naidu, T. Krishna Rao. This textbook is enough for our video examination. Of course, I refer some YouTube videos and other Google information in order to prepare a PPT and prepare a notes. So no need to worry. I'm going to provide complete PPT and notes for you guys. So Aram say you can listen this video and enjoy the classes. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. These are all some references. Thank you. Thank you so much.